Hey there, I want to know how to do that, and that, and this, and this? Well, keep watching because I'm going to show you. First, you go to a little app that I like to call PicsArt. You go to a picture that you think is absolutely fabulous, you know, that's Vogue worthy or front of the magazine worthy. I picked this one as an example. And then I go and I type in stickers Vogue. And once I clicked Vogue, I look for a Vogue sticker that matches like the cover of a Vogue magazine. So I put in magazine instead to be more specific. And then I just picked any one that I really liked. And I picked the Vogue one. I made sure it fit perfectly with the picture. I adjusted the size of the template and everything to make sure it goes perfectly with my picture. And there we have it. It looks good. And download the photo. And this is how mine went.